Smart blinds offer a convenient way to control the lighting and privacy in your home with just a tap on your smartphone or a voice command. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the steps to set up smart blinds in your home. Choose your smart blinds. Select the smart blinds that best fit your windows and meet your needs. Popular options include brands like Somfy, Lutron, and IKEA's Furter. Ensure the smart blinds are compatible with your existing smart home system, such as Google Home, Amazon Alexa, or Apple HomeKit. Install the blinds. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to install the blinds. This usually involves mounting brackets to your window frame and attaching the blinds. If you're replacing existing blinds, you may need to remove them first. Set up the smart hub, if needed. Some smart blinds require a hub to connect to your Wi-Fi network and smart home system. Plug in the hub and follow the manufacturer's instructions to connect it to your router. Connect the blinds to your smart home system. Download the app associated with your smart blinds, e.g., Somfy Tahoma, Lutron Caseta. Follow the in-app instructions to pair the blinds with your Wi-Fi network and smart home system. If using a voice assistant, link the app to your voice assistant service, e.g., Google Assistant, Alexa. Calibrate the blinds. Use the app to set the upper and lower limits for the blinds. This ensures they open and close to the correct positions. Test the blinds to ensure they move smoothly and stop at the set limits. Create automation and schedules. Set up schedules in the app to automate and the blinds open and close. For example, you can schedule them to open at sunrise and close at sunset. You can also create scenes that combine the blinds with other smart devices, like lights and thermostats, for a fully automated environment. Control your blinds. Use the app or your voice assistant to control the blinds. You can open, close, or adjust them to your preferred position from anywhere. Setting up smart blinds adds convenience and efficiency to your daily routine. With automation and remote control, you can easily manage light and privacy in your home. If this tutorial helped you, check my links below. Don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing to CyberTheo.